Just stay, just stay one more night. I'll be by your side.
Hey YouTube, what's up? So yesterday I got a very nice deal on GoPro Hero 9. So the moment the ad was up, I grabbed it and let's go get it.
We'll live for a new day. We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night.
So I finally got it. The GoPro Hero 9. It was kind of a struggle. I had transferred her the money transaction didn't go through, so I had to go to the ATM to withdraw cash and give her the money. But yeah, finally here it is. So we'll go home, share the unboxing video, and we'll start vlogging with this now. So it was a pretty sweet deal, I would say. I got it for $380 Canadian, and the GoPro Hero 8 the other day I checked on Costco is for $399. Hero 8, yes, and I got it cheaper than GoPro Hero 8. Well, yeah. So I got this deal on Facebook Marketplace. I was just scrolling through the ads, and the moment I saw it, and the ad was up for like $400, and I negotiated further and got it for $380. Well, yeah, thank you. Do not forget to subscribe and like the channel. Bye bye.